Hi, today for the new Redmi Note 10 Lite, and I'll show you how to activate Quick Launch on this device. So if you want to use the power key button to launch, for example, the camera application, you should first open the settings app and then scroll down to the additional settings. After that, click to the gesture shortcuts and you'll see here launch the camera. Just tap to double press power button switcher to activate this option, and now let's press twice to the power key, and we can see that the camera application successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.